Where is my phone? I hear it. But I don't see it. Wait a minute. What? Oh my goodness. That's a mess. Hey everyone, welcome if you are new and welcome back if you're not. Ever gotten so behind on clothes that you lost your phone in the laundry piles? Yeah, that's what I was dealing with on that day. Getting behind on laundry happens so often, even with a wonderful laundry routine and plan. So, for today, what I'm doing is providing laundry folding motivation and 5 tips for how to save a little time when folding laundry. If this is something that interests you, keep on watching. My first tip is to make sure to sort your stacks first. I'm blessed that my daughters are old enough to help me fold, hang, and put up their own clothes, but there was a time not too long ago when this was not the case. So I sort their clothes, or they will do it too, and this helps cut down on who folds what. Within their actual stack of clothes, then they sort by towels, folding clothes, hanging, and undergarments. Tip number 2, I try my best to only focus on one small stack or category at a time, meaning once I have sorted my entire load into many categories, I only focus on socks and then move on to only shirts, etc. Now, like the order that you do these categories, it can change depending on your needs and preferences. So let me give you my reasoning for this. Have you ever noticed how assembly lines make things move faster? A lot of this reason is due to each person or machine, depending on what it is, only doing one particular focused task. Since we're not fortunate enough to have a machine doing assembly line folding for us, we have to be our own machine. But hey, if you find a machine out there that will fold our clothes for us, now let us know in the comments. Haha. It is much easier to fold all of the same items in your selected category because you get used to the repetitive motions it takes to complete the task, and then you get faster each time you do it. This is opposed to folding a shirt one moment, then socks the next, then pants the next, etc. That can actually be confusing because you have to switch up the flow each time you change the category because the task changes. Let me know if you're totally feeling what I'm saying in the comments by putting a thumbs up. On this channel, I tend to post cleaning, laundry, decluttering, and occasional decor videos, usually in a fun way. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing. Tip number 3. I always mention this in my laundry videos, but I tend to listen to motivational videos or podcasts or music when I fold to help pass the time. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an imprint left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Tip number 4. Set a timer and challenge yourself to match or beat the time. It's amazing to see how fast you can go when you really push yourself. Make me feel like Tip number 5. I mentioned earlier that my girls are finally old enough to where all of them can help in a tremendous way. But for some of you, that is just not yet your reality. So here is a hack if you have smaller children, and I wish I would have thought to do this when mine were smaller. But when it comes to clothes that are used often and you don't mind them getting wrinkled, like certain summer clothes or tank tops and things, don't fold them. If you can stand to see them not folded, just put them in an organizational bin or something where they're out of sight. This can save a ton of time because you would be folding these things all the time. You know, like the little white or just plain onesies, or like the little underwear when they're younger or whatever. Just all of that. Now, I don't have that where I can show that in this video because mine are older. But again, I just wanted to throw that in there for moms who have younger children.
I just want your time. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
If you're still watching, you are the real MVP. Drop a trophy in the comments to let me know you're still here. And I have a bonus tip for you. I fold all of my clothes with the intention to put them up in a vertical way. This really helps me be able to see what I have in my closet, and this saves me a lot of money as well. It also helps keep down clutter and excess clothing in my drawers, which is definitely a win-win.
Still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take.
Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope it motivated you to get some laundry done so that you can enjoy your weekend. If you enjoyed this video and received some value, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and consider subscribing and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications so that you never miss a video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Dominique, your towels look like atrocious. You need to redo that. That is so bad.
Oh, I have so much stuff.
Carry you in ICU.
I can really go to bed on this.
Go to bed.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want.